runway 36 left. Monitor FAA controllers on frequency 118.9 for departure instructions. IFR aircraft with the departure reservations, contact clearance delivery frequency 132.3 for clearance and approval for engine start no earlier than 30 minutes prior to estimated departure. Do not start engines without approval. Ensure an IFR card is placed in the windshield before taxi. Advising initial contact information Oscar. Oshkosh departure information Oscar 1154 automated weather. Wind 290 at 4, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 15, dew point 13, altimeter 3010. Runway 27, runway 36 left in use. VFR departures follow the directions of the EA flagman to the departing runway. Do not call ground control frequency for taxi. VFR aircraft departing runway 27, monitor FAA controllers on frequency 128.75. For departure instructions, VFR aircraft departing runway 36 left. Monitor FAA controllers on frequency 118.9 for departure instructions. IFR aircraft with the departure reservations, contact clearance delivery frequency 132.3 for clearance and approval for engine start no earlier than 30 minutes prior to estimated departure. Do not start engines without approval. Ensure an IFR card is placed in the windshield before taxi. Advising initial contact information Oscar. Oshkosh departure information Oscar 1154 automated weather. Wind 290 at 4, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 15, dew point 13, altimeter 3010. Runway 27, runway 36 left in use. VFR departures follow the directions of the EA flagman to the departing runway. Do not call ground control frequency for taxi. VFR aircraft departing runway 27, monitor FAA controllers on frequency 128.75. For departure instructions, VFR aircraft departing runway 36 left. Monitor FAA controllers on frequency 118.9 for departure instructions. IFR aircraft with the departure reservations, contact clearance delivery frequency 132.3 for clearance and approval for engine start no earlier than 30 minutes prior to estimated departure. Do not start engines without approval. Ensure an IFR card is placed in the windshield before taxi. Advising initial contact information Oscar. Oshkosh departure information Oscar 1154 automated weather. Wind 290 at 4, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 15, dew point 13, altimeter 3010. Runway 2.
Kilo runway 36 line of point. 22 Kilo line of point on the right side, right side. 4 Alpha Bravo runway 36 left, you line of point. And that's going to be on the left side. Romeo Kilo, runway 36, line up and right, behind the tail dragger, silver. Silver tail dragger, runway 36 left, your cliff takeoff. Alpha Bravo, runway 36, cliff takeoff. Tail dragger 36 left, cliff takeoff. Runway 36 left, departures, turn right heading 150 prior to the ATC tower. Stay at or below 1,300 on the south, hold clear of class Delta.
Runup.
Mooney on Bravo, you ready?
Not quite yet.
Okay. And the Mooney on Bravo, just let us know when you're ready, okay?
Roger that.
Orange biplane, runway 36, your clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 36.
Red biplane, line up 08, runway 36. And high wing silver tail dragger, you can line up away behind the red tail dragger.
And Mooney's in ready in sequence.
Come on up, Mooney. Red tail dragger, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Is that the biplane?
I'm sorry, yep, the biplane. 710 Yankee, runway 36, line up away behind the silver tail dragger. Silver tail dragger, runway 36, clear for takeoff. Bonanza, runway 36, clear for takeoff. Mooney, runway 36, line of way. All 36 left departures, turn right heading 150 prior to the ATC tower. Maintain at or below 1,300 till you're out of the class Delta. Mooney, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Little 4's ready, Papa 3.
Little 4, Papa 3, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go, Little 4.
Extra, runway 36, line up away. Hey, we got a 80-mile-an-hour tri-motor here, extra, so use caution for him. You see him right there, runway 36, clear for takeoff. White blue tail dragger, you ready to go?
Affirmative.
White blue tail dragger, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Cleared. Runway 36, clear to take off. Tail dragger.
One two nine, you all set?
Ready to go.
129, runway 36, you clear for takeoff.
36, cleared to depart.
Detail, if you're ready, runway 36, line up and wait. November, runway 36, you're cleared for takeoff. All departures off runway 36. Make sure you turn right heading 150 prior to the ATC tower. Stay at or below 1,300 MSL till clear Class Delta airspace. And white and red low wing, runway 36, clear takeoff. Be ready.